Today I'd like to give a quick intro on how to charge the 3rd generation Echo frames and Carrera smart glasses. This generation of Echo frames comes with slimmer temples, more frame styles, and a charging stand. To get started, plug the USB-C side of the included cable into your charging stand, and then the USB-A side of your cable into an outlet, laptop, or safety certified 5-watt USB adapter. Insert your smart glasses into the charging stand with the lenses facing up. Don't be afraid to push down until snug. A pulsing white light displays while the stand detects your smart glasses. When proper placement is detected, the blinking light goes to a solid color depending on the smart glasses' battery status. A solid orange light means the frames are charging. A solid green light means the frames are fully charged. This should take about 2.5 hours to fully charge with a 5-watt USB adapter. If the charger is blinking red, this means there was an error detecting your frames. Here are some tips to get your frames to start charging. First, remove your frames and reinsert. Check that the placement is correct. As a guide, the frame should be touching the charger at the nose and back wall. Second, if you find the frames are difficult to place on the charger, for example, your frames are tilting, check to make sure the adjustable temple tips are not overbent, as this can impact correct placement. If your temple tips are bent inward, towards the center of the frames, you could slightly push outwards. If your temple tips are bent downwards, you could slightly push upwards. For more troubleshooting tips, check the customer service pages on Amazon.com.